Move it, move it. Donnie, right to... See him? Moving left, left side. Straight ahead of you, Fred.
Yep, I got eyes on him.
That's Matt. Just watch them flanking us.
Yeah, that's what they're going to try to do, I'm sure. Surround it. Hey, Mike, how far can they move down along here?
They can't.
All right, I didn't know. No, what I'm saying is that within them doing that.
But they can't. There's no place to go. You'll see them.
I don't want them coming off of the deck.
You just don't want them shooting you like I did. Right. Come on, take him out. He's just running around there. There is. He's still there. Look for the pink armbands. There he goes. He's close. Go ahead. I won't shoot you, boy. All right, turn around the other side. Look right out. He's standing wide open. See him? Black? Right. Okay, I got him. Russell, watch right. Come on, dark helmet. Just remember, they're going to come right back in.
Oh, they can?
Yeah, they're not done yet, I don't think. You're all right. Take your time, buddy. You're not going to get shot. Nobody's going to shoot you. Good. Gun him down. Russell, there's one right ahead of you. Probably 40, 50, probably 100 feet. One guy moved far right. Russell, far right.
I think he's dead. We already shot him out.
Okay, okay.
That's the guy I shot out earlier, but he's taking... There's another guy right there. Look, I think he's gone. He's moving to the left, right in front of you. I don't know how I was missing him.
That's coming from a right ahead of you. You're gonna have a heart attack. There ain't Ain't no crawling on us, you infidel! Right out there, he's real low. All you see is his head. Low left. There's the other one. He's gone, I got him. Right in front of us. Look right. Look like. Actually, Fred, can you Walt? Can you see right? All the way right. There's somebody over there pretty close who's just shot Russell. There he is. There he is. I got him. He's going to be coming right out on you, Donnie. Right. 5 trees. You're. Donnie, turn the other way and shoot him. He's right where he was before, hanging out. He's wide open on me. Oh, he went back in. He was. Come on, Matt. They're coming up here. They're coming up in that thick shit on the right. 6, 7 trees back. I just shot one. Put your hand up. Oh, they don't. I see where he's at now, Donnie. No, he's not. He's at like a big ass. I see you. See that big tree right there? That's it, me. Right there. He's out now. He's out now. Hello, hello. You got him, Donnie? Close. They're pushing pretty far up here on the right. They're right there. See, right there, that double wide tree? Like, see where the tree with the light on? Like the sun's hitting it? There might be 2 there. He's out again. He's out again. No, he went back in. He's out. His gun must not be working. Greg's right in front of us. Greg is close. Walt, look right. He's right, Donnie. He's probably 40 foot from the base. I hit.
I'm out. I just killed myself with a grenade.
Did it hurt?
No.
I'm out.
It went off of my hand. I was trying to pop it and shake
You're the last guy left, Donnie, besides the kids in the tower. we go, Diane.
Right off a gun to somebody who needs it.
He's gone! He's gone! Are you out? How's that? Are you out? Yeah. Did you blow up that mine?
I hope not. He put it there. I have you on tape saying that now. Good.
Don't they get the medic and can come right back in?
Yeah. You guys can't win. But unless we put so many armbands on them. He's out. He's out. Let him go.
There's a hole in the thing there. I was able to shoot him through it. You can see it at the bottom there.
Yeah.
Who is that though? Greg or?
That's Greg.
I don't know who that is jumping under a bunker.
Well, shoot him.
Don't matter. Not on your team.
When the idiots finished the basement for my grandmother, they didn't tighten a clamp on her grinder pump, and water got underneath the floor and lifted it up. He's redoing it. Yes.
I see him from here. There he goes.
I see a lot of legs moving coming up this way. Oh, is he back in already?
Who?
If he's shooting at you, I would say he is.
Young Walter. He was just shooting at me, but I shot him. I don't know how he got back in the game.
I don't know.
You tired yet? Oh, you have a sniper? Have you had that all day?
Yeah.
Have you? How's it work? You like your M4 better, don't you?
Not that well.
Well, until I took Steven's gun, then I shot you, and Fred on the other side.
Yeah, I got a
I'm
good
just
one.
sitting there, I'm like, I can't fucking shoot these guys. I'm like, Steven, give me your gun.
Squire, my semi-auto. Full auto, please.
I was hoping to go someone out of the tower when I saw
I think that other little kid took his pants a little bit.
I think he did too.
Russian dude. and
that,
everything
that
else.
kid up in the tower doesn't have his glasses on the whole time.
Seriously?
Yeah. Can you hear me yell at him and put his goggles on?
No, I did not.
He's sitting here like this with holding his goggles up shooting.
It's like coaching D-ball again. Put your hat on. Put your goggles on. Put your goggles on. Put your goggles on.
Donnie, does this feel normal? You at the end? You at the end in the back, holding everyone off? He's out. Well, they're not. That's not all of them. There's no. Watch it. There's another one right there. He's hit. He's not
Said
done.
he's hit, yeah.
You guys got to be exhausted.
Honestly, I thought it would take like an hour to run through all this.
You misjudged what kind of shape we're in. Well, shoot him!
Come over here, Brad. Yeah?
That's ignorant.